In this video, we'll see how to find the number of CPU cores on an Ubuntu system, including both physical and virtual cores. Start by opening your terminal. You can press CTRL plus Alt plus T to do that quickly. Now, let's run the first command, lscpu. This gives you detailed information about your CPU. Look for the line that says CPUS. This shows the total number of cores, including virtual ones created by hyperthreading. If you want to see just that number without all the extra details, type nproc. This command prints only the total number of processing units available to the system. Understanding how many CPU cores your system has can be useful when optimizing performance, configuring software, or managing workloads. It gives you insight into how well your machine can handle multitasking and parallel processing. That's all you need to check how many CPU cores your Ubuntu system is using, both physical and virtual. Thanks for watching.